This video, let's talk about Instagram ads on Reels earnings. What's the RPM? Is it really worth it? Before we jump into it, like and share so more people can see this video. So let's go to Instagram. Ads on Reels is a monetization feature which is by invitation only. But how do you know which monetization feature you have enabled on your account or available? You can go to your professional dashboard and now scroll down, and under tools you're going to see all the monetization features. So for example, bonuses, ads on Reels, ads in profile feeds. These are three different monetization features. If you go inside ads on Reels, you can see it is active, it is enabled. If I want to see my approximate earnings recently, you can see $2.32, not a lot. But now let me show you how much Instagram Reels, ads on Reels paid me for 1 million views. So I'm gonna go to Reels on the profile, and let's find a reel that has a lot of views. Look at this, this is over 1 million. So let's open this. Now to see how much money this one reel made, we're gonna click here and then click on Insights. Now slowly scroll down. Here's all the other type of data insights that you can look into, but scroll down and boom, look at this. So this reel made $15.12 from how many views? 2.3 million views. That's like nothing. That's like less than cent your RPM. YouTube is much better. TikTok is much better even. So obviously this also depends on the type of content, the countries that your content is being reached to. There's so many other factors. So I'm sure there are other people out there who have much better payouts, much better earnings. But for 2.3 million views, we made $15 for 1 million views. So that's going to be less than $8, $7.50. That's the reality of Instagram ads on Reels earnings. Let me know if you're seeing something similar or if you're seeing high RPMs from your ads on Reels program. Thanks for watching. Like and share before you go, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.